short film ini saya memegang watak sebagai Azura, seorang pemandu yang tak berapa tahu pasal jalan. Lepas tu berlaku satu kemalangan di mana melibatkan pemandu motosikal, saya dan juga kereta di belakang.
We started around 6 in the morning, trying to coordinate all the cars. It's going to be a tough shoot today because it's a big public space. We had to close the road, and there's a lot of cars involved, so there's coordinating with a lot of people, movements, a lot of movements. The first shot's good. It's a car rig shot, so very straightforward. That was a controlled environment. I think later on the tough parts will come in, coordinating the whole crash scene. So that would be the challenge coming up next.
今天呢，我们拍一个短片，放车的，梆梆梆的。然后呢，我的角色应该是主角了，然后Jenny呢就是做我的老婆，然后呢，我的人是很好，不过今天要做到很凶，不爽啊！哎呀，不过也爽。 邪气。
在这部短片，我是阿峰的老婆，我们两个都有一点小脾气，因为我们很不耐烦，人老了嘛，所以前面的车慢一点，我们就大发雷霆，一直 complain 这样子咯。所以慢慢期待这部短片吧。
一定好，bagus。
We just did the toughest part of the shoot so far, which is the collision reenactment. It was very scary because we actually have to really reenact the scene where the motorcycle and the car has to be like on course of collision. So that's scary because they have to coordinate the whole thing very precisely. We got that done safely, no one was hurt. So yeah, on to the next part.
My role in this film is like a roti buy. I'm roti vendor. Just now you see me that I got knocked down by car and then I fell down. You see I got injured. Oh, I feel very hurt.
Watak saya dalam Untitled Merdeka ni adalah seorang rider. Di mana seorang rider ni dia dah ternampak kemalangan ni kan. So dalam masa yang sama rider ni turut membantulah pergaduhan yang berlaku.
So apa saya boleh cakap pasal karakter saya ni, dia adalah seorang pelajar yang tengah ke sekolah. Tiba-tiba pula time sebelum bas diorang tu memang nak bergerak, ada accident kat depan dia. So macam normal punya student ni mesti nak tengok kan apa jadi, nak tahu. So time betul-betul karakter saya ni masuk memang dia nak bergaduh. So karakter saya ni macam menghalang lah daripada uncle dengan abang tu untuk bergaduh.
I'm playing the role of Rani, who is a total kepochi. Find out at the end of the shoot what Rani is up to.
Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm the production manager for this Untitled Merdeka shoot. So as you know that we are doing this shoot during the RMCO, so we need to adhere to strict guidelines that are provided by the government, such as having our face mask on all the time, getting your temperature scanned, scanning a QR code for contact tracing in the future and things like that. It's something a little bit different from our usual production shoot, but it's something that keeps us going. So these are the basic preventive measures to keep our shoot ongoing, and most importantly, to keep everyone on set safe.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoy watching the behind the scenes. Do watch the full film, and I want to thank Taylors for entrusting us with this Merdeka video. I guess we all have to stop fighting against each other and start fighting for one another. Merdeka!